Yeah, back of this white Ford Everest.
Oh, yun na, parking exclusive for Chef
Chef
RV.
RV.
Perfect.
Dito.
Yes, Paddy,
On the left,
yes.
yep. See, everyone, whether you believe it or not, coming from the US, we are here in Binyan, Laguna with our parents. Ito sila. Hopefully, we're going to meet Chef RV. Let's go!
Let's go.
Hello, Bunsoy. Where are you?
We are at Chef RV.
Chef
Yeah.
RV! Yay!
Tara, let's see kung nandito siya.
Let's go! Waiting for them, the Padres and the Madres.
Padre.
And the Madres. Look at them. Yay! Chef RV, this is the front of the Chef RV store. Okay, here's our exclusive talent.
Hey,
Where are we going, Paddy?
we're gonna be going to see Chef RB restaurant or cafe bistro. And let's go.
Pero I don't know if these people have traveled from different parts of the Philippines. Okay lang na video namin kayo, right? Okay lang, okay lang. Oh, look at this beautiful people, oh. Look at this beauty. Look at that beauty. Mga future celebrities natin yan. And look at this little man right here. They traveled from all over the place para lang makita si Chef RV. Yay! Happy family! Alright. I'm gonna ask you, what did you buy from Chef RV?
Yung mga
Lahat.
Apron, tumbler.
sayang po, wala yung food.
Oh yeah, go back. Alright, where are you guys from?
From Subic, Marikina.
And? Australia. So,
Please like and subscribe.
ito yung Mr. Security natin. He provides ng security rito kay Chef RV. Nandito ba si Chef RV?
May shooting po yun.
May shooting, may vlog? Oh, okay. Sige, sige. Ito sila. Maraming pinagpipilian. Alright. Hello, hello. Ano bang bibili nyo? Ano bang napipili nyo?
Ay,
Bibingka!
bingka
Teka,
pinakamasarap
gusto ko yung
dito.
queso
Isa sa
bola.
pinakamasarap.
Nababalik-balikan.
Alright, Chef RV.
Ay.
Look at your guest.
At dalawang nas... Ito dalawang laman?
Pieces lang.
Palit po, no?
May libro tayo dyan, Baking Secrets 175 and Cooking Secrets 300. Tama naman, ha? Tingnan natin yan.
Sino gusto mo? Ito? Okay lang. Ito?
Yes.
Okay na okay ito.
Okay to, let's try it.
Wow. Look at that. Bukas mag-aaral na ako magluto. Dito ako kukuha ng mga recipe para matikman mo, ha?
For the first time, ano?
Of course. for the
Nakapagluto
first
ka
time.
pa? Hindi pa? First time lang. Kita mo
Matagal
nyo
na
na,
ako
kita nyo
nagluluto.
naman mga viewers, ha? First time na magluluto si Papa, pero Chef RV. Okay. Eh, yan, Paps. Anong ano yan?
Ito, at sinasabi dito, homemade. Bagoong gusado. Gusado. Ang ganda nito, ang galing nito. Napapang ko to doon sa isang restaurant. Napakasarap to. Ay naku, Christian, pag kinain mo to, makakalimutan mo sa sarap, makakalimutan mo ang pangalan mo.
Okay, Chef RV, may request sa'yo ang isang customer mo. Ang Red Box.
Naka
4,000, Chef RV!
May box!
May box! Yan sila, oh. May iwan na tayo. Bye! Let's go! Enjoy! Let's go! Okay, bye guys. Enjoy na lang yung vlog and always remember to hit
Like and subscribe!
Like
and subscribe.